Startup. Let's see what these guys got. Tuesday nights.
All right, you know what we say, 5 minutes over time will make us dangerous. So let's go ahead and get going with this. We're going to, actually, I'm going to mute this out real quick so we can play that and get past the commercial time. The Fed's low interest rates could bring a scary 50 to 60% market correction. Technical analyst Abigail Doolittle told CNBC on Wednesday. Unfortunately, I think it could come on a crash similar to what happened in 2007. The founder of Peak Theories Research said Squawk Box a day after the S&P closed above 2,000, so it did hit the 2,000 level. Let's see what she's saying real quick right here. Let's expand this and turn this back up.
In the long term, when we look at this year and what has everybody so excited, we're really looking at a sideways range, whipsaws within a trading range. It's easiest to identify on the Russell 2000. What makes it important, this range has started to reverse the QE3 uptrend. This happened around the QE2 uptrend and the QE1 uptrend. What makes it important, the gyrations typically signal a correction is coming. When we push that into the medium term and take a look at the DAX, we see that's precisely what did happen in 2011 when we had that sideways trend. Same sideways trend this year appears to be reversing that uptrend, and I think a correction is likely. But returning to your point about the big consequences that we could see a severe sell-off, when we take a look at the long-term chart of the Dow, and really the one that's going to garner a lot of widespread media attention, we see that it's trading in a multi-year trading range, hitting up on resistance, selling pressure, where investors have typically taken profits or sold in the past. What makes this so important, you can see that the entire bull market trend over the last 5 years has started to reverse. It's hard to know when it might produce a reaction back down, but when you see that kind of gyration around the trend, typically it suggests that you're going to see some severe volatility. And I think, as scary as it is, I think that we could see possibly a 50 or 60% correction, an equal and opposite reaction to all of these unusual policy moves.
Wow, that's crazy. So she's talking about she can see a 50 to 60% correction, and so that means that the market will go down. Could potentially, I'm not her, and I don't know all that stuff, but it could potentially have a correction where the market could go down at that rate, which is crazy. So, and I wasn't happy about my little Burger King stock pick yesterday. We'll show you that. So it's a little bit later in the day. We'll go to the pre-markets. Getting over sickness has gotten me thrown way out of my regular schedule. So let's go in here and look at the pre-markets. Right now, futures are down and the fair value is up. Futures are down with the Dow. Let's see here. Russell, Europe, Asia looks okay. Currencies, U.S. Treasuries is in a tank. And the sectors and indices. So, all right, let's go over here real quick to my portfolio. I'm in the green with everything but my Burger King, which I bought it at $32 a share. Now it's down to $31. So when that thing gets to about $33, if it returns back, I'm out. I'm selling and taking my profit and getting out of there. So be on the lookout for that. But that's pretty much all I have for you today. There's more stuff that we can look at. There's some new things that I'm going to be implementing when it comes to Gorilla Trade software. So be on the lookout for me doing that. And you can look at the returns. Some of these guys are getting using that software, which is pretty good. So we'll look at that. Still making money for the most part with all my other stock picks. I did just want to add in that Burger King because of that news that came out with Warren Buffett, and right now I'm in the tank right now with that, so we'll keep our eye on that over the next couple of days. All right, again, remember, 5 minutes over time every day will make you dangerous. Have a great day.